Introducing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G, a smartphone that blends flagship features with affordability. It was released in January 2025. It aims to deliver premium experiences without the premium price tag. The device showcases a sleek design measuring 162.2 x 74.9 x 8.2 mm and weighing 180 grams. It features a plastic back, aluminum frame, and the front protected by Corning Glass Victus 2, that is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability. With an IP64 rating, it's resistant to water and dust splashes. The display is equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The phone offers a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling, enhancing the user experience. Based on the performance, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G houses the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra chipset, built on a 6nm process. Its Octa-core CPU and Mali G57 MC2 GPU combined with 8GB or 12GB of RAM provides efficient performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. The device offers internal storage option of 128GB, 256GB or 512GB, utilizing UFC 2.2 technology for faster data access. Additionally, it supports microSDXC card, allowing storage expansion as needed. Based on the camera system, photography is a standout feature, with a triple rear camera setup, which is a 200MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera. The 32MP front camera ensures the high-quality selfie. The video recording capability includes 4K at 24/30 fps and 1080p at 30/60/120 fps. The phone is powered by a 5500 mAh battery, supporting 45W turbo charging. Smart charging algorithm help prolong battery lifespan, ensuring the device keeps up with your daily demand. The software of this phone runs on Android 14. Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G offers a user-friendly interface with the latest features. Additionally, it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP64 dust and splash resistance, enhancing security and durability. In summary, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G offers a balanced mix of performance, camera prowess, and battery life, making it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market.